Okay, it's note 9, and we are going to write the mechanism of this halogenation here, this line. Why I choose this one? We're still going to write the name. Okay, so it's the same flashcard. I write on the back because it's the same mechanism. Okay, so it's chlorination of, let's say, this specific one, okay, propane. It's still number 1 because it's the same mechanism. We changed methane into propane. All right, and we will need to write what are we reacting with, okay? All right, now we start to write the mechanism, okay? Actually, we don't need this paper anymore. We just want to show you we are working on this mechanism. Okay. So the first step will still be the formation of radical. I think I used the S color. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. You write 2 in the front or 2 times 2 afterwards. That's fine. Okay. All right. So we are going to write since we have 2 different ones. So we are going to write this one first. Okay, which you form on this carbon. All right. So now. Okay, I do need to write specifically this hydrogen, okay? So I'm rewriting my propane this way. All right, now with my chlorine, this, okay? Since I highlight this with orange, I'll keep with orange then, okay? One of its radical, okay? C. And there's a radical, this new form radical. Okay. Okay, this is the first time we see HCl here. And I will rewrite this part with a different color. I'll rewrite with green, okay? So this will be a green carbon, right? It's my green. Yes. I hope you can see the color difference. Yes. Okay, this bond forming two. Okay. Did I miss in hydrogen? Yes. this is what happened when you try to color code. So much things going on. And I'm not writing with the notes next to me. I'm just writing out of my brain. So yeah, I forgot the hydrogen here. Then we're good. Okay. It's the green bond. Okay, so this is the second time we form HCl here, right? Okay. This is what not the complete yet. We only form the radical, okay? Now, I'll keep with my orange. So are we good with, we form the radicals with specific orange and green. So I'm going to continue with this radical then, okay? So both could happen. I'll write primary. And this is the secondary. So we're back to primary, okay? So CH3. Okay, where is my, yeah. We still have a lot of chlorine, right? Yeah. I'll just use chlorine radical. What did I use on this page? Oh, I use another chlorine, which is fine. You can also use the radical here, okay? I'll just show using a chlorine. Or, yeah, let's keep consistent with that, okay? It's fine either you use chlorine radical or that chlorine. Either would work, okay? Or using this, because we already formed this chlorine radical. Okay. But we'll just keep consistent. Yeah, you keep forming more chlorine radical. That's why radical reactions are really active. You just need one radical, and it's keep forming more radicals. So you don't need a lot of radicals. You just need a little bit of that, and it's going to initiate the whole reaction. Right? So yeah, we're good. Yes. I learned to write all the blue first. Okay. And the Cl radical. Are we done with, oh yeah, we might need this later, okay? Okay, so now back to our secondary. We'll do the same thing for the green again. So CH3. Okay, now I remember to write my hydrogen. But I forgot to color code. Yes. Here. Yay. Okay. Okay, now we have formed both products. We're still missing propagation step, but usually propagation step will be just you trying to make the the termination step, trying to make your chlorine disappearing. Okay, so let me move my cat away. Hey. So it will be chlorine with orange. Or didn't you see their radicals here, right? They can form, which I will use bond line structure. Are we good with that? So this one is the bond line structure with this orange radical here. And this one is a bond line structure with green radical here. Are we cool with that? So these two, they can also, I'll try to find a good way, okay? All right. Okay, now this purple bond is formed here. Okay, this is originally the orange one, and we form a purple bond here, right? And then this green is here. All right, so this is a new alkane, which wasn't any of our previous one, but this would be, I'm not expecting you to write this, but you should know with the halogenation of alkane, during the termination step, there are a lot of things happen, okay? All right, so now we have finished writing our halogenation of alkane. We also mentioned that you want to make a list of contents of the mechanism you have, like that's for 118B. I don't have one for my 118A. And anyway, writing on a very small flashcard, you probably cannot see, but I still want to make a difference between my normal reactions and if that's a list of content. So I'll use this red paper. So now I can write, it's basically alkane. I write propane because I think you might need more example of that. So we will write, okay, let's make things neat and tidy, okay. All right, I will keep making a few flashcards in the future. I hope, yeah, I also want to make my full list. I have my whole 118B and 118C. I don't have one for my 118A. If I have time, I'll keep making this and post it so we can make the whole flashcard list together.